Welcome to this quick guide, where you'll learn how to manage indicators in the Moomoo chart. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to customize your chart with indicators is crucial for making informed decisions. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Moomoo app or website. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're in, navigate to the chart section. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see various chart options and tools that can help you analyze market trends effectively. Next, locate the gear icon on the chart interface. This icon is your gateway to customizing your chart settings, allowing you to tailor the display to fit your trading needs. Click on this gear icon to proceed. This will open a menu with a variety of options related to chart customization. Now, within this menu, you need to go to Chart Management. This section is specifically designed for managing different aspects of your chart's appearance and functionality. Under Chart Management, you'll find the option for Manage Indicators. This is where you can control which indicators are displayed on your chart. Once you're in the Manage Indicators section, you'll have the ability to add new indicators or modify the existing ones. Adding indicators can provide you with additional insights and help you interpret market data more effectively. You might want to add moving averages, Bollinger Bands, or other technical indicators depending on your trading strategy. If you wish to change any existing indicators, simply select the one you want to modify and adjust its settings as needed. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can manage indicators on your Moomoo chart with ease. Remember, the right indicators can make a significant difference in your trading strategy, so take some time to explore and choose the ones that best suit your needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights and tips on using Moomoo and other trading platforms. Happy trading!